Hey, what's up guys, my name is Cherno, welcome to a little update video just about a few things that's going to basically happen on this channel and regarding videos and whatnot. So first of all, I know I haven't been uploading too much, and that's because I'm in the middle of semester in university, and obviously it's very difficult to do 4 subjects and keep up a pretty good YouTube channel when you're trying to basically, do well. Like in university. So that's the reason for lack of videos. It's not because I don't want to make them. It's not because I can't be bothered or anything. It's because I literally don't have time. I'm actually basically barely finding the time to record this right now. But what I thought about doing was essentially incorporating my university work into my YouTube kind of work. And what I mean by that is I'm studying a course which is called Professional Software Development, and I'm actually doing a unit this semester called Games Programming, okay, because I want to major in that. And essentially, what I have to do for that, as you can probably guess, is make a bunch of games. So, and that kind of falls into what you guys are subscribed for. So what I thought was I could basically kind of kill 2 birds with 1 stone, and basically stream myself making those games, right? So I'm actually doing a really cool project right now because basically the way this works is to get a distinction or higher in the subject, you have to make a game, like a rather big game which demonstrates a lot of different criteria. And to get a high distinction, which of course is what I'm going for, you need to both make that game and do a research report. Okay, so the game that I'm going to be making is going to be tied in with my research report, and basically what I'm going to be making is a very small, so don't go large scale on this, but very small kind of Minecraft clone, okay, in C++. And then I'm going to port it to Java, the same game, same everything, and compare the performance, because a lot of people seem to think it'll be much faster in C++, but and it probably will be like marginally faster, but not really anything significant. But the point is, I'm going to be doing that, all right, comparing all sorts of performance data between the 2 versions of that. So I imagine that a lot of you probably want to see me make Minecraft, so that's why I'm thinking that I might live stream myself developing that. Now there will be a lot of documentation going on with that as well. I actually started it yesterday, and you guys can probably see what it looks like right now on the screen. It's basically just a bunch of blocks with some kind of nice shading and nothing really special. I did start this yesterday, keep in mind, and I'm making it from scratch in SDL using OpenGL in SDL2. So yeah, so there's not too much to show right now, but obviously I'm going to develop it, keep going with it. That being said, if you guys are interested, please leave a comment. I'll probably do this anyway, even if you guys aren't interested. I mean, I know that you guys will be, or at least most of you will be. So that's what's going to happen. I know it's in C++, but that's just because I will be porting it to Java eventually. That being said, I think that's about all I wanted to say, isn't it? Maybe. Yeah. So it is already on GitHub. By the way, all the code will be on GitHub. Both the original version in C++. It's called ChernoCraft, by the way, because why not? The code will be on GitHub. It is on github.com/thecherno, which is my GitHub, right? There's a repository called ChernoCraft written in C++, and that is the basically my progress so far. So you guys can follow along with that. Don't contribute to that, obviously. Don't open issues and pull requests, because I'm not actually allowed to get people to help me with this, obviously. So I'm going to obviously not accept your alterations to this. But go ahead and fork it and play around with it if you like. If you guys find any bugs or something that you think is bad, you can kind of tell me on the DL, on the down low. But that's totally fine, by the way. But just keep in mind that whole thing, it will be up there. So yeah, you guys can play around with the code and knock yourselves out. Licensing is as standard GPL, right? So just make sure you credit me if you use it for anything, but otherwise it's free and open source. That being said, the other thing I did, and someone's calling me, decline. Well, the other thing I did was, yes, so SoundCloud, right? On Sunday, I'm actually going to upload the already ready to go music video of me making the music for the London Dare game, because a lot of you guys requested that, and that's literally the only part of the development live stream that doesn't have copyrighted music. Well, not really copyrighted music, but music I don't have permission to, because I did make the music for that during that period of time. So it'll be like an hour and a half long. I think it's like an hour 40 long. It'll be up on Sunday. So I know you guys, a lot of you guys happen to be interested in music, which is great. So you guys can see me kind of make a very rough track in an hour 40 minutes from ideas to final production. That'll be out on Sunday. And speaking of that stuff, I did make a SoundCloud account. What did I just say? A SoundCloud account specifically for this. And for this, I mean like for kind of my music. All right. So if you guys are interested in that, it's soundcloud.com/the Cherno. Link will be in the description. And basically, I mean, I'm just gonna dump random music that I play there. All right. I mean, right now, like, if you guys want to hear me sing, like, that's the place. So that's actually a very rough kind of cover up there right now, actually, including me singing. So go ahead and check that out. But just keep in mind, you know, it's just for fun. And it's don't expect high quality music there. I'll be dumping all sorts of stuff there, which I'm sure most of you guys will enjoy. That being said, I'll see you guys next time, and I'll see you guys all throughout the week live streaming. All right, so have a good time. Like the video if you liked it, and goodbye.